What's up guys, Vesylum here today bringing you editing tutorial episode 5, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do the boom sound effect. This is going to be pretty short because it's easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link the boom sound effects that I use in the description, the download link for them, so you guys can just grab those. I have 3 different ones that I use. I just kind of switch off between them. So here we go. I'll just show you guys what they all sound like. So, I mean, all you got to do is download the link in the description and then import them to whatever editing program you're using. So, let's hear it. Here's one. Pretty sick, pretty sick. And for all these, you don't need to add any effects or anything. They're already filled with all the bass and everything. Here's the second one. Very nice as well. So here's the third one. That's actually the one I used on my intro too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just download it in the description. And as of now, I have no other requests for tutorials. So leave your requests in the comments below and I'll take a look at them. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you later.